First, preview this 2D cartoon-style animation video.
They don't see the pressure behind it. Late nights, tired eyes, and a mind that never stops thinking. What if I fail? What will people say? Sometimes it's not the books that hurt, it's the expectations. In a classroom full of people, you can still feel completely alone. But then, one small moment can change everything. A friend, a smile, a simple "you can do it." And suddenly, you don't feel so lost anymore.
So guys, as you just saw, these are high-quality AI cartoon animations. Cartoon videos with very high RPM. And the best part? They are generated using a 100% free AI tool, which I'm going to show you today. First of all, take a look at this channel called Toon Taxi. If you analyze the videos on this channel, you'll notice they consistently get millions of views. Their most viral short has reached 150 million views. Then you'll see 60 million, 52 million, 46 million, 25 million. Basically, almost every video is in the millions. You'll notice one very important thing: consistency. There is always a boy and a girl, their life story, their father, their home, and their daily activities. This channel currently has around 1.7 billion subscribers on only 102 videos, which is insane. The average earning is very high, and the RPM is also high because the views are coming in huge numbers. For you, I have prepared a master prompt. This includes a full story and structured steps. Step 1. 10 image prompts. Step 2. 10 video prompts. Step 3. Full voiceover script. First, copy the entire master prompt. Then, go to ChatGPT and paste it. After pasting, simply click Generate. It will first give you the story, then consistent 10 image prompts, then 10 video prompts, and finally, the full voiceover script. Everything will be ready in front of you. Next step is image generation. We'll use a free AI tool to generate consistent character images. The tool I'm using is called Flow AI. I've used this tool in many videos, and currently it's unlimited and free, so take advantage of it while it's still free. First, log in to Flow AI, then go to Settings. In Settings, select the model as Nano, choose Pro Mode, set the ratio to 9:16, and keep output generation at 1. Now generate the first image using the first prompt. After that, you'll see a plus icon. Go to the Toon Taxi channel, take screenshots of 3 or 4 characters as reference images, and upload them using the plus icon. These reference images help maintain character consistency. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. As you can see, the generation starts immediately. Within 30 to 40 seconds, your image will be ready. Sometimes even faster, 20 to 25 seconds. This tool is completely free with no limits. You can generate unlimited images. Here's the result. You can see how beautiful and consistent the character looks. Exactly what we need. Now repeat the same process for all images. Upload reference images. Copy prompt from ChatGPT, paste into Flow AI, click Generate. Do this step by step for all 10 images. Now moving to the next step. Video generation. We'll use another free tool for generating videos. However, there is one limitation. It does not generate voiceover. So in the next step, we will generate the voiceover separately and then add it to the video. As you can see, all our images are now ready with consistent characters. A boy and a girl with a complete storyline. Now, we will use these images to generate videos and complete the entire animation. Today, the tool we are going to use for video generation is called Hunuan AI. You will find the link in the description. Simply click on that link and open the website. After opening it, first of all, you need to log in. This tool is completely free. You can generate images, videos, text-to-video, and image-to-video, all for free. On your screen, you will see options like text-to-video and image-to-video. You will also find additional tools like an image generator, 3D models, and 3D motion generators. Everything is available for free. After logging in, click on Image to Video. You will see all the options there. First, you need to upload your image. Click on Upload and select your first image. After uploading the image, go to ChatGPT. From your master prompt, copy the first video prompt. Then come back to Hunuan AI and paste that prompt into the prompt box. Next, go to Resolution Settings. You can choose 1080p, 720p, or 480p. The higher the resolution, the better your video quality will be. Now everything is set. Simply click on Generate. Your first video will be generated in about 1 to 1.5 minutes. As you keep generating more videos, the process may become faster. This tool is completely free, and it generates high-quality videos. It gives you around 5-second video clips, but the quality is excellent. Now your video is ready. Preview it. As you can see, it has generated a fully consistent and beautiful story-based video exactly as we wanted. It looks very clean and professional. Now simply right-click and click Save as Video to download it to your computer or any device. For the next video, repeat the same process. Upload the next image. Go to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt. Paste it into Hunuan AI. Click Generate. Keep the resolution the same for all videos. As you can see, the next video starts generating even faster. Within a short time, it will also be ready. Follow the same process for all videos. No changes needed. Our main goal is earning. The purpose is not just generating videos, but building your own YouTube channel, uploading this type of content, and earning from it. Now the second video is ready. Again, repeat the same steps for the third, fourth, and all remaining scenes. Upload image, copy prompt, paste, prompt, click Generate. This tool is currently unlimited and free, so take full advantage of it. Now, as you can see, all our videos are ready. One by one, download each video by right-clicking and saving it. This method is faster compared to the normal download option. Now comes the next step, voiceover generation. Go to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover script from the last step. Then, open Google AI Studio. I've mentioned this tool before. Open the Text-to-Speech 2.5 model and select Single Speaker Audio. Paste your script into the prompt box. Now reduce the gaps in the text so the character speaks smoothly without unnecessary pauses. In voice selection, you can choose any voice, but I recommend using a male voice instead of a female voice for better storytelling. Now click Generate. Within 10 to 20 seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Finally, the last step is editing. For editing, we will use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all your videos along with the voiceover. First, place the voiceover on the timeline. Then, add your videos one by one according to the voice timing. Go to Transitions and apply a black fade transition between clips. Adjust everything properly so the video and voice match perfectly. You may notice a watermark in the video. To remove it, create a compound clip, then slightly scale the video. This will hide the watermark. And that's it. Today, we created a complete 2D cartoon animation story video using free AI tools. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.